Isang ad na tulad nitong pinanonood ninyo ang naging daan para mabago ang takbo ng aking buhay. Ako po ay si Eden, tubong Philippines, now resides in the USA. Isa pong retiradong nurse. Hindi po ako madaling naniwala. Malaki po ang aking pagdududa. Tulad ng marami sa atin, marami po akong katanungan. Paano kung scam ito? On the other hand, mas malaki po ang aking ambisyon kumpara sa pagdududa. Ano kaya kung may katotohanan ng kanyang sinasabi? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano ko mapapatunayan kung di ko susubukan? Inulit-ulit ko pong panoorin ang video mula sa aking mentor. Dito po unti-unting luminaw sa akin ang sistema ng isang flexible at portable business that could run from home or even while traveling. This online business runs on automation. There is no need for you to knock on doors selling products. No stocking, no shipping, no returns at no inventories. Therefore, even when you're away, having a wonderful time with your family, or simply just relaxing, your business runs 24/7. Higit sa lahat, naipagpatuloy ko po ang pagtulong sa mga kabataang to continue higher education. Napakalaki po ng pinagbago both in my personal and financial growth. Hindi ko po akalain na meron pang ibang avenue na di ko pa nasubukan. I became a mentor of a thriving business. Regardless of my technical difficulty, I can be successful despite my limitation. So friends and families, this could be the change that you've been waiting for. Whether you are retired like myself or still employed, but needs a side hustle that pays more than your career job, take exotic vacations maybe that you can only dream of, renovate or own a new home, buy a new car, build a nest egg. Name it. Save your spot and register without obligation. Registration will allow you access to an informational video. This could be one of the most important decisions you could ever make. Thank you for your time and welcome to potentially your door to becoming successful business owners yourselves. Press the button below and register for a life-changing experience.